Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to develop public speaking skills. First, begin by understanding your audience. Knowing their interests helps you craft a relevant message. Next, clearly define your speech's purpose and main points. A well-defined goal, perhaps to inform or persuade, provides a strong foundation. Finally, structure your content logically with a clear introduction, a well-developed body, and a concise conclusion. This framework ensures your message flows smoothly and is easy for your listeners to follow. To master your delivery, consistent practice is key. Rehearse your speech aloud at least 5 to 7 times to build confidence and ensure a smooth flow. Consider recording yourself. Watching it back can reveal areas for improvement, such as your pacing or hand gestures. During your actual presentation, make sure to maintain eye contact with different audience members. This simple technique helps create a personal connection and makes everyone feel included in your message. Connecting with your audience is vital for an impactful speech. Weave in compelling stories and real-world examples to make your points relatable and memorable for everyone. Vary your vocal pitch and pace. Speaking too quickly or in a monotone can lose your listeners' attention within a few minutes. Additionally, use appropriate body language, such as open gestures and a confident posture, to convey enthusiasm and sincerity. These elements work together to keep your audience engaged and attentive. Overcoming nerves is a common challenge for many speakers. Before you begin, take 3 to 5 deep breaths and pause for a few seconds. This can significantly calm your anxiety. Remember to focus on clearly delivering your message, rather than striving for absolute perfection. It is okay to make small mistakes. Finally, actively seek constructive feedback from trusted peers or mentors. This valuable input, perhaps 2 or 3 specific suggestions, is essential for continuously refining your public speaking abilities and fostering growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.